Here we are at Decatur Carts and More, 721 West Monroe Street here in Decatur, Indiana. 260-223-8970. Looking at a 2019 EZGO Valor, flame red in color. Brand new, gas, 13.5 horsepower Kawasaki engine, gas. Does have the red and black SS wheels. Does come with the street legal kit, which is your windshield, your 5-panel mirror, turn signals, brake lights, and a lighted rear license plate bracket. Does have the rear seat. Has the black seat covers with a black top. Gorgeous cart here. Like I said, it is the 2019 EZGO Valor. 2019 in flame red in color, black seats. Give me a call, 260-223-8970. Stop by 721 West Monroe Street. Look forward to having you here with me. Taking it for a test drive. Come swoop this one up. Not going to last long. Thank you.